Hi guys, welcome to SaaStrack. Today, we are going to check the complete overview of Anstrex, including the working process, services, and featured offered by Anstrex. So let's begin. Anstrex is an ad intelligence tool that helps in spying on native ad campaign as well as push notification ads. This tool serves best for performance marketers, brand advertisers, drop shipper, content creators, affiliate marketers, and more. If you are one amongst them, then you might have come across different ad intelligence tools, like Adplexity and my most favorite tool Power Ad Spy. No? Don't worry. I will walk through you to this ad intelligence tool and will also share some of the benefits of using them. Ad intelligence tools are commonly known as spy tools, which help you to see what your competitors are doing, and how they are doing it. With a spy tool you can see what kind of ads your competitors are running. Find out the keywords they are targeting. Explore new trends in your niche. Gather intelligence to create effective campaigns. Anstrex is a spy tool that focuses predominantly on native ads and push ads. It is one of the most well-known native ad spy network and actually stands for Analyze, Strategizes, and Execute, which is that you use a spy tool for. Let's check out the products it's providing. They have 3 solid products. Anstrex Native, it's specially built for native advertising. Anstrex Push, it's built for push notifications. Anstrex Dropship, it finds the hottest selling dropship products and manages stores. As discussed in the beginning, Anstrex serves best for performance marketers, affiliates, direct sales marketers, brand advertisers, content creators. This tool integrates very well with the other useful platforms to improve your productivity: Shopify, WooCommerce, AliExpress, AWS, DigitalOcean. Check out the latest news and articles, their latest updates, services which they provide, and many more. Interested to try Anstrex? Book your demo from here. Moving ahead, you can know about the detailed overview of all the 3 products from here, along with their features, comparison, pricing, products, blogs, etc. Let's sign up and check how it works, as I have already signed up, so I am logging in. But if you are a new customer and signing up for the first time, then do use the link available in the description to get an additional discount on the products of your choice. This is the main dashboard of Anstrex. I haven't selected any product. If you particularly want to work for native ad campaigns or push campaigns, then choose the dashboard from here. These are the top trending ads worldwide. Defined within a particular price range, duration range, orders range. Along with the rating, you can change the filters like suppliers, category, country, shipped from, the method of shipping, sort by. You can change any of the filters and customize them according to the requirements. To get the detailed list of each product, click on the link to get a detailed view of the whole product. Let's run a search and see just what this software helps in providing us. The tool comes with a simple GUI, easy to navigate, and fast enough. When rendering results, we noticed the price range slider is not offering enough room to work with. For example, we tried to range between $10 and $40 and we struggled to achieve that. You can also filter by categories: beauty and health, mother and kids, women's clothing, shoes, cell phones, telecommunications, home and garden, consumer electronics, countries, shipping from, shipping method, sorting by, order date, last 30 days orders, duration, last 30 days growth. Let's say you wanna find your top competitors in your niche. As you enter the keyword, choose the filters you want to apply to the search. Like I am adding the search term as watches. And you may choose the results as per your requirement, with an ad strength of 10 and running for at least 45 days. It provides a great idea about the long-term trends for all the creatives in the niche. The search results page is a masonry layout that will show all the creatives that match my search filters sorted by ad strength. Each search result contains the date first seen, the date has last seen, ad title and copy, mobile and desktop creatives, ad strength and gravity, country codes, and which ad networks the creative is running on. And the best thing which I like the most about this platform is using this tool. You don't copy your competitor's exact creative. It provides a link to reverse image search on all popular image search engines to help you find comparable creatives for your ads. It works best with moving ahead towards the top stores. You can have a quick view of all the top trending stores. View the date store started. Date last saw. Synopsis. Average monthly visitors. Page per visit. Average bounce rate. etc. Also view the traffic share by country, geo-targeted. Paid or organic search, its competitors, store product addition history. Here is the detailed view of the products. You can manage imported goods. Choose items from here. And apply. Can also add up the filters from here. As none of the products is selected, so it's blank here. You can add product boards. Include name. Board description. Products saved. Connected. Last updated. Actions. etc. Click on add board. Enter board name. Enter the board description. Up to 10 to 100 rows of data is visible here. Or to get the quick view, click on the search option. Moving ahead, you can also manage place orders and track all the orders from the Anstrex dashboard. Currently, as we haven't ordered any products, hence, it's showing not found. Similarly, for native and push ads, check out the detailed overview of Anstrex native and spy on profitable native ads from the products section. Have a quick look at the features, product comparison, gain detailed pricing information, and other information. Also, uncover the profitable push ads from this section and explore your niche competitors in one go. So, this was a quick dashboard overview of Anstrex. To get the quick live demo, register now using the link available in the description below. Moving ahead, you can have a look at the services from the quick links available in the footer section. The knowledge base includes the video tutorials, from which you will quickly familiarize with basic and more advanced topics of Anstrex in the shortest possible time. Anstrex also comes with an affiliate program, where marketers can earn huge affiliates. Learn how it works, how much it makes, the ways in which the earnings are paid. Track your data like a pro. Along with the special affiliate benefits, users can also keep up to date with what Anstrex is working on and what new products and exciting updates are coming up. Okay guys. So this was a quick review of Anstrex, the most innovative native ads spy tool. And now it's the time for you to sign up for a free trial, using the link mentioned in the description below. And try these features by yourself. Improve your ROI by unlocking your competitors' marketing strategies, and don't forget to share your experience in the comments section below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then click on the subscribe button and notification bell next to it. If you like this video, then hit the like button. Or if you have any questions, then write it down in the comments section below. Thank you. See you in next video with another software.